You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, originally from German. In English and the German pronunciation, we need to hear the German pronunciation first, which is usually as Schaffer. It's the German for shepherd. Yes, you know a shepherd. Schaffer. Therefore, in English, it can be pronounced as Schaffer, but it's more often in English, when it's somebody who's American or British, pronounced as Schaffer. Alright, so that's the more English pronunciation, Schaffer, while German, Schaffer. And now, you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.